Let me show you two ways to do this question. First method is let's just calculate all the angles we can and it will figure itself out. This is a right angle. This therefore must be 80 degrees because I've got a triangle with two angles in it. It must add up to 180. Then this is 10, so this is also 80 degrees because we've got a right angle as well. Right, now I need to find this angle. I've got 94 if I add these two together, so this has got to be 86. Okay, and that's kind of as much as I can do from the top. Let's do exactly the same from the bottom. So I've got a right angle. This is 26, so I'm thinking, what do I add to 26 to get 90? That's going to be 64, okay, because then the whole thing will add to 180. Now I've got 97. So I'm just thinking, what do I add to 97 to get 180? Or I can minus them. It's going to be 83. So that is 83 there. Oh, I've just noticed. Okay, so now I missed this bit first time. I can also work out that angle because I've got 80 and 14, so I've got 94. So this is going to be 86. Okay, brilliant. Because now we've got this triangle. These two are going to add to 169. Therefore, theta's got to be the missing bit to get up to 180. It's going to equal 11 degrees. Second method, similar kind of approach, just using some slightly different maths. And it is to kind of repeatedly use the idea of alternate angles. All right, now alternate angles, you never call it a Z angle, but you're sort of looking for these two. They are equal for parallel lines. Of course, you can get a backwards Z as well. So I can see a Z. That must mean that this little angle here is equal to 10. And therefore this one is 4. And I've got another little Z, like here, here, here. So this is also going to be 4. And I've worked out part of my theta. Let's do the same up here. This must be 26 because I've got a Z. Therefore, that one is going to be 7. But then I've got another backwards Z, and that must also be 7. So I can add these two up and get 11 that way. To be fair, I didn't think this method was going to be as good, but it's quicker, it is easier. It's not how I did it, it's how the solutions did it. So two methods. This one's slightly longer, but doesn't really require knowledge of parallel lines. The second one does, but speeds the process up.